Well, alright, what would you expect after the FRS1 Sea Harrier but an FRS2 Sea Harrier? This is again a Airfix kit, single piece wing and engine compartment moulding, nice refueling probe, and all the upgrades of the new radar obviously moulded. Same aircraft construction really. You still got the same size wings as the Mark III Harrier or the original Sea Harrier. I may be wrong, I probably am, but I think all they did is upgrade the radar and a few components and call it the Mark II. So whether or not I'm right and some of the Mark I's became Mark II's with a bit of alterations, I don't know, but that would make sense. Anything different? I used different, I mixed special shade for the exhaust nozzles. Good thing about a Harrier kit, you can use the word nozzle, always fun. And as you can see, the probe, which was on the radar and on the front of the aircraft, has been moved to the tail now to get it out of the way of the radar. So pointing with my brush, that's good, isn't it? And I got the excuse of cleaning the aircraft while I talk about them. On this, you might notice I did a bit of pre-shading on the control surfaces, so that when I painted over again, I left the black line to show, give an impression of there being a separate control surface. So you got your flaps and your ailerons there. Apart from that, the trickiest part is this decal is 4-piece around the engine compartment. I think they take the engine out from the top, but you got to be careful to line it up carefully, and as any decal, it can be very fiddly, these line decals like this, but it comes with experience. I think there are no more extra parts in this than the other version, but yeah, FRS2 Sea Harrier.